Amongst the four brothers of Ram, Bharata, Lakshmana, and Shatrughna, whose tapasya was considered the most difficult? Vedani?
Lakshmana did not sleep for
14 years he didn't sleep. So Lakshmana's tapasya was the most difficult?
No.
Yes and no. Okay. Mangala?
Shatrughna's tapasya was
Shatrughna's okay. 1 second. Anybody else? Answer I will ask you later. Okay. Sudevi?
Bharata,
Bharata's. Why?
because he was away from Ram for 14 years.
He was away from Ram for 14 years. So much of pain, you know. So much love he had for Ram, and he was away from Ram for 14 years. Krishna? Lakshmana's. Why?
कि उन्होंने 14 साल सोया नहीं, उसके बाद उन्होंने राम जी को बहुत
अच्छे से सर्व किया.
हाँ, और वो जाने वाला मार्ग पे वो काटते होते हैं.
So Lakshmana, Krishna is saying because he didn't sleep for beta. Because he didn't sleep for 14 years, and also he was on the path in the forest which had lot of thorns, and he walked in front of Ram for a long distance. Okay, good answers. Yes. Vatsal is saying Shatrughna, and Mangala also said Shatrughna. Atharva, Shatrughna. Okay, Annapurna is saying Bharata. Why Bharata?
एक तो है कि थोड़ा फेल्ट बर्डन था कि राम को जाना पड़ा
उसकी वजह से, हाँ.
एंड 14 साल उसको राम से दूर रहना पड़ा, बट अयोध्या का ड्यूटी करते हुए प्लस उसने और बहुत सारे तपस्या ली.
So he was very heartbroken that because of him Ram was asked to go. So he had so much of pain in his heart. That's why Bharata Annapurna is saying. But the answer is Shatrughna. Why? It's one of my most favorite. Actually, it is told that Ram did tapasya for 14 years. He went to forest. Yes or no?
Yes.
He went. But he was fulfilling the desire of his mother and father. So he took it on himself as his responsibility to do that. So he had a reason to go to forest. That's why his tapasya, while difficult for 14 years, is not considered the best. We might be thinking, oh, Ram's tapasya is not considered the best. Yes. Then comes next Lakshmana. Lakshmana didn't sleep for 14 years. He continued to serve Ram and Sita. He made house for them. He protected them. He had just got married. He left his wife behind. And he went in the forest ahead of Ram, cutting the thorns. So he was badly bleeding, on his hands, on his leg. So much of time when he was in forest. And he fought with Meghanatha. So much trouble he took on himself. Yes, Lakshmana's tapasya is bigger than Ram's. But still, Lakshmana had Ram with him. Imagine so much difficulty we are taking, and if we have God with us, isn't it a blessing? Yes? So Lakshmana had Ram with him. So he didn't feel any of those as very difficult. For him it was a cakewalk. In one sense, कहते हैं ना, easy है, बहुत easy था उसके लिए, क्योंकि राम उसके साथ थे पूरा time. Then comes Bharata. Now Bharata decided that for 14 years he will also not live in his palace. And he stayed outside Ayodhya. He dug the ground almost, like 2 feet inside, because he felt Ram was walking on the floor. I cannot be at the same level. In our house, when we have an altar, we put deities in that manner. No, Gombe, Dasharatha, this one, Dasara, Gombe we put like that. So Bharata decided that he will sleep below the ground because brother is on the ground, and because of me, Ram was sent to the forest. I should live even at the lower level. So he dug the ground and he slept in that. Very cold. 14 years, no bed, nothing. And he said, my brother will be eating roots and fruits, because forest में हमको चावल थोड़ी ना मिलेगा, है ना, पनीर का सब्जी नहीं मिलेगा. So he, brothers Ram, Lakshman and Sita were eating only roots and fruits, So Bharata said, I will not even eat roots and fruits. He used to dip a handful of horse gram every day in Gomutra. And every day he will just eat that. For 14 years, he just ate that. Because he felt, because of me, my brother has got this, 14 years of exile. And he just cried and waited for Ram to come back. So Bharata's tapasya was much bigger than Lakshmana's tapasya also. Yes or no?
He had
But he had Ram's paduka with him. He had Ram's sandals with him. So he was still so lucky. Imagine if somebody comes and says, I can give you God's padukas. How much we will be lucky, isn't it? So much of luck. In Sri Vaishnav Sampradaya, there is a Padruka Sahasranama, 1000 glories of Paduka written by an Acharya. Who has written Vedanta Desika has written Paduka Sahasranama. What are the glories of, that's why when we see our Acharya's slippers, we should take them nicely and keep them. Touch our forehead also. Not step on them. That's why when we come, we tell that, we should never overstep each other's padukas and keep them nicely in the line. Have we kept them today like that? Good. Okay. So much of importance of paduka, Bharata kept on his head. His guru. Bharata considered Ram his elder brother and his guru, his king, his father, everything. He kept his padukas on his head and took those padukas. And he had padukas of Ram. Now comes Shatrughna. Shatrughna had nothing. He didn't have Ram with him. He didn't have padukas with him. And still he was separated from all his brothers. And despite of his interest in staying with his brothers, he was forced to become the king of Ayodhya for 14 years. He had to rule the kingdom without being interested in it, in separation from Ram, in separation from Lakshman, in separation from Bharata. And he didn't have, padukas also. Only his memory of Ram. So he used to just chant the holy names of Ram throughout. And he ruled the kingdom for 14 years. And in the first instance when Ram returned, he gave it to Bharat and Bharata gave it to Ram. Back. So Shatrughna's tapasya is considered the most difficult tapasya in Ramayana. Now we will just listen to the second last bhajana.